everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. You guys know I am like a lover and a fan of Sand and Sky skincare, and I have done like a review like 2 years ago when the very first time like I bought their skincare. Go and click it down below if you guys do not know what I'm talking about, but I'll throw like a screenshot right here. When they first came out, it was like a white cap and a blue packaging at the bottom. So after revamping their entire product, they came out with this beautiful baby right here. They named it Australian Pink Clay Pore Finding Face Mask, which gives you the same thing as the blue one. They just changed their packaging. I don't know what he's afraid of, but I think he's afraid of something, but I'm so sorry. So they came out with this new baby right here. Hey! And this is the new Australian Emule Apple Super Bounce Mask, and this is to glow and plump up your skin. So what this mask actually does for your skin, it instantly boosts your skin's hydration level, which has 5 different types of hyaluronic acid for deeper hydration and long-lasting moisture, which I love so much. So this mask doesn't actually dry down to matte. It's actually like almost like a jelly like cream formula, so it doesn't actually really dry down. Let it set for 10 minutes and go ahead and rinse it off. After rinsing my face, I'm gonna apply the Emule Apple Dreamy Glow Drops. What this actually does for your skin, this is the Epic Glow with a potent by-face serum. So for the water phase, it also has 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, which helps to keep your skin plump and moisturized. And also Australian Glow Berries, which also moisturize and give you a very glowy skin. Hi baby, he's coming that side. So after applying the facial mask, it doesn't dry down clean because it's a moisturizing facial mask. It does have like a very cooling sensation to my face. It really calmed my skin down, my face down at the same time, and did moisturize my face because it has like 5 different hyaluronic acid inside it, which is good. And I felt like my skin was so much brighter, guys. For the Sand and Sky Emule Apple Dreamy Glow Drop, I would definitely recommend you guys to use this at night, not under your makeup though, but it's a very beautiful smelling, amazing smelling skincare for at night. So when it comes to skincare, you guys know I always test it out before I come and review it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, just because he was clinging on to me the whole time of this video and I didn't want to let him down. He scratched me all over the place. Like this video because of that. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell right beside, and yeah, don't forget to share with your friends and family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.